Hey guys, we all know it's very important to stay healthy in times like these. So for that, you need to keep your body fit and your mind strong. And here's an exercise that literally everyone can do because all you need is a wall. So you need to find a wall and you need to sit against it in 90 degree. Yeah, make sure you sit in 90 degree and hold. Breathe. Feel the burn, okay? Now pick this up as a challenge. Today maybe you start by sitting in 30 seconds and tomorrow you try and sit a little bit longer. So that's gonna make it fun. And I can promise you all that when you will come out from the quarantine, you will have a much more stronger body and a much more stronger mind, because you are going to train your mind to take control over your body and make sure it doesn't get up. Yeah? So, let's do this, guys. Breathe. It's tough, huh? But it's good.